welcome to my YouTube channel Candid Chemistry. In this video lecture, I will teach about benzene in detail. Benzene was discovered by Michael Faraday in 1825 in the gas produced by destructive distillation of vegetable oil, and 20 years later it was also found in coal tar by Hoffman. In terms of physical properties of benzene, in the absence of polar substituents, arenes are typically of hydrocarbons which have low melting and boiling points and have low solubility in polar solvents. Following is the chemical structure of benzene, which means benzene can be expressed in the following three structures. Let us talk about the nomenclature of benzene. The nomenclature of aromatic hydrocarbons is much more complex than those of aliphatic hydrocarbons. The system used for naming benzene and its derivatives generally depends on the number of substituents on the benzene ring. Some important rules of naming are given below. Number 1. Monosubstituted benzene derivatives are named by prefixing benzene with the name of substituent. The whole name is written as one word. For example, methyl and then the word benzene is followed, or ethyl benzene, chlorobenzene, etc. According to second rule, there are certain monosubstituted benzene derivatives which are given the special names, like methyl benzene is toluene, hydroxybenzene is phenol, etc. All the 6 positions in benzene are equally equivalent, so there is only one monosubstituted benzene. When a hydrogen atom is removed from benzene, we get a phenyl group which is symbolized by C6H5 or PH. Substituted phenyl groups are called aryl groups. Remember, there is a difference between phenyl and phenol. Phenyl is written as C6H5 minus 1 position of hydrogen, whereas that 1 position of hydrogen when taken over by OH group is written as phenol or C6H5OS as shown in the diagram. Third rule suggests that the second substitution in benzene would give rise to 3 isomeric products designated as ortho, whose position is 1,2, or meta, whose position is 1,3, and para, whose position is 1,4. The examples have been well explained in the following given structures. According to fourth rule, if 2 or more substituents are different, then the substituent that is treated as a high priority group is given the 1 position in the benzene ring. Other groups are numbered by counting from position 1 in the manner which gives them the lowest number. For example, if we are prioritizing benzaldehyde as the main group, then the amine group has been given the second position, so the name would be 2-aminobenzaldehyde. Similarly, 3-hydroxybenzoic acid. Fifth rule suggests that if the 2 substituents are different and they are not present in priority order list, they are named in alphabetical order. The last named substituent will be at position 1. For example, 3-chloroiodobenzene or 2-bromo-nitrobenzene. According to sixth rule, if there is a substituent on the ring which gives a special name to the molecule, then special name is used as parent name to the molecule. For example, if OH group is also known as phenol, then it will be treated as the main parent group and the whole compound will be named as 4-aminophenol. Similarly, 2-iodotoluene, etc. Different substituted benzenes along with their common names have been shown in this slide. Students, now let us talk about the structures of benzene. Structures of benzene has been a topic of discussion for several years. The discussion has been participated by different scientists. We'll discuss each of them individually. Now let us discuss Kekule's structure first. Kekule proposed a cyclic regular hexagonal structure for benzene, which contains 3 double bonds alternating with 3 single bonds, as shown in the diagram. He further supported his theory by the following argument, that is, number 1, benzene gives only monosubstituted products as shown in the equation. Second, benzene gives only 3 disubstituted benzene products as shown in the equation. These points confirm the regular hexagonal structure for benzene, in which all the carbon atoms are occupying identical positions in the molecule. Therefore, benzene forms only one toluene, one phenol and one nitrobenzene. He further added that benzene adds 3 molecules of chlorine in the presence of sunlight as shown in the equation, and as the result of these, they will produce benzene hexachloride. These two reactions confirms the presence of 3 double bonds alternating with the 3 single bonds. However, certain objections were risen to Kekul's structure, since Kekul's formula with the 3 double bonds demands a high degree of unsaturation from benzene, while usually it exhibits a saturated character. Thus, benzene yields substitution products readily and forms addition products reluctantly. This structure couldn't explain why benzene is least reactive, shows dual character, has equal carbon-carbon bonds and lays heat of formation.
Students, I hope this video lecture was helpful to you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Candid Chemistry. Thank you.